Faustina, and then I love you guys.
Yeah.
Coming down to Westville Brewery. Okay? Don't forget.
Cheers.
If not, I send Laura and Nikki after you.
Are you writing some?
Yes, ma'am.
What number? What was the number?
What's the best number to have?
7.
No, I'm number 1.
Frankie, Meatballs, Fresh Mootz, baby. None of this here. Very good.
Finally got out of the box. I'm paying everything off little by little. That's why I'm here at the Westville Brewery making some Fresh Mootz for the Pasta Cheech Crew, you know? Yeah, I gotta pay off that debt somehow. I think I learned my lesson, you know? I got you 50 large. I promise I'll have it to you by tonight. I'll have your money.
It's 60 large now.
As soon as they said they were gonna put me in a fire, I had to jump up. Had to get out of there, you know what I mean?
Good Sambuca here. This guy over here, Frankie Meatball, in the casket. Maron, what a job he did, huh?
Huh?
What a job he pulled,
I'll
huh?
tell you what. I'm glad I'm all paid up and on this side of the box, you know what I'm
It's only
saying?
22 large, though.
I'm working it off, though. I got you, you know? But it's good to be on this side.
Look, don't try to sit home.
Change the date though.
All right, listen, Peter. You're not my Nikki Collins. I mean, she looks very peaceful. But she'll cut you through.
See that? See how good I got?
You gotta get to Westville Brewery every night of the week. Why? Because they have the best IPA around, bar none, and it's a bar, and there's nothing better. Come to Westville. Cheers.
Westville Brewery.
Oh, Lucas Sambuca here. Get your down here. Westville Brewery in Westville, New Jersey. Where guess what? Nikki Collins is coming to look for you. And it's not going to be pretty. Understand? And that's that.
Find you. Jimmy will come get you.
Welcome to the party.
Forget about it, eh? It's a Frankie Meatball production.